Welcome back to our daily Forex forecast. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is the potential target for the dollar yen. Before we go to chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Guys, I'm so sorry if I sounds a bit weird because my nose is quite a bit snuffy, it's quite a bit stuffy. I don't know why in this morning that my nose feels so weird. So sorry guys, because we are in a recent week, the weather in my place is quite horrible. It's very horrible weather. You have cold weather in one day, and the next day the temperature hit almost 40 degrees Celsius. So that's so freaking weird. So well, let's go straight to the chart and talk about the dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, like we are seeing right now on the forward chart, price still move in the bullish phase, but right now it's make very long sideways momentum on the forward chart right here. Let me draw it for you so you can get more clear view. Okay, look here, the price action itself still move in the bullish momentum. Okay, rejection. And then right now, look here, even though the price still makes the sideways momentum, but inside the sideways momentum, there is a strong volume that say, okay, the dollar yen is going to continue its bullish momentum. So our plan for now is, okay, I have done plotted the sideways structure right here. Okay, let's wait for, okay, now it's done. Okay, it's quite complex if you want to trade the dollar yen right now. This is why I made this video, so that you doesn't get trapped in this sideways momentum. I hate when there is a pair that it move on this sideways momentum inside the trending structure, and right now we see that in the dollar yen, it creates this kind of structure. It's quite complex. If you want to trade, if you still have the long bias on the dollar yen, the first thing you have to do is to wait for the price to touch the support line around here. This one is the support line where the sideways momentum or sideways structure literally have two lines. The first one is the resistance or the top line, and the bottom line as the support. Okay, so our key important news or our key important strategy for today is to wait for the price to make a retracement like this, and then if we see there is a rejection at around this zone or this point around here, this support point, we can start looking for the entry on the 30 minutes time frame. The 30 minutes time frame, okay, we want to make sure, because you look here on the 30 minutes time frame, the price still makes a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, lower high. So it was the bearish structure. If you want to enter based on the long position on the dollar yen, you have to wait for the price on the 30 minutes time frame to align its trend like in the forward chart, which is bullish. But right now on the 30 minutes time frame, the trend is still on the bearish structure. So you should wait for the price to make a change of character or maybe some behavior change like this. Okay, and then you can enter based on the pullbacks around here. Okay, as long as the pattern itself, as long as the support itself or the structure itself hasn't been validated its bullish momentum on the forward chart on the 30 minutes time frame, you should have not entered this trade. Why? Because the dollar yen is quite complex right now. It moved in the bullish momentum, but also on the retracement or the pullback, it makes the sideways momentum. This is quite complex pattern, guys, so you have to really wait for the correct entry point, correct confirmation and the trend on the 30 minutes time frame, you have to be more precise and conservative on this trade. This is why I made this video, so you doesn't get trapped on the false signal. Okay, and then, well, where is the stop loss? The stop loss should be on the low of this one. And the take profit, you can go back to 4-hour chart. On the forward chart, you can aim for the last previous high, which is right here. Okay, which is right here. This is take profit. I'm going to have the green zone, green line, main green line, and then you can set your stop loss in this one. This is previous low as the support. Okay, but as usual guys, if you are not seeing any trend alignment or the trend on the 30 minutes time frame doesn't align like in the forward chart, please do not enter this trade. This setup today on the dollar yen, it's quite complex, very complex, where we have bullish trend right here, but after it makes a retracement around here. Okay, this is our demand zone around here. After the price makes a retracement or the pullback on the demand zone, the price makes a very big sideways momentum around here. If you see this kind of momentum or if you see this kind of structure, there is literally 50% chance that the price itself is going to shoot up, continuing its bullish momentum, or it's going to change direction because of this sideways momentum. And in the sideways momentum guys, we already have some sort of two types of lower peak. This is the lower peak and this is the lower peak, but we haven't seen another lower trough. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. That's it for our daily forex forecast. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in this video, in this YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow our TikTok, Instagram and X so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, trade safe today and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.